Hey guys, Jason Scudeleri with All Chevy Performance, and just wrapped up the HushMat install on our 67 Chevelle. And a lot of reasons we're doing this is noise, it's a heat preventer, just makes the car that much more solid to drive around, especially in the summertime when you have your AC on. You want to keep the hot air out, the cold air in. And as far as installing, it took probably about 5 or 6 hours to do, but I covered everything from all the floors to the trunk to the quarters, the doors, the roof, everything. I want to make sure when this interior is in here, you hear nothing except for the person next to you, maybe your stereo, and keep the road noises out. So again, it's really easy to work with, very pliable. As you can see, I really got into every line of the car, and that's just the simplicity of the material itself. It's very pliable again, and it goes on real nice with a roller. I use the back side of the roller to get in some of these creases, but overall I'm extremely happy how everything turned out. And let me show you what I'm talking about on the noise side. Obviously I didn't HushMat the front fender, and you're going to hear how tingy it is. Whole roof has been covered. Just so much more solid. Same with the door, quarter panels, everything. So if you want to follow along step by step on how I did the installation, check out allchevyperformance.com.